The funny part about self-inquiry is that you start to see that it is the mind speaking, and then it is the mind responding to what the mind said. Right? So it's almost like the mind is speaking, the mind is listening, the mind is responding, and then mind is responding to that, and then mind is responding to that. And you're just the seeing of it. Self-inquiry will bring you to this realization, and you will stop taking the things that mind says so seriously. You will see that the mind is conversing by itself, with itself, for itself, and you are completely beyond it. So this realization, it creates a lightheartedness about thinking itself. It actually enables you to even allow the thinking to happen sometimes without taking it so seriously. And it certainly de-energizes the interpretations, the judgments, the labels. So actually go through today and start seeing that your mental commentary, the commentary you believe is your own, is actually just happening spontaneously. And what it is speaking to is also just the next batch of mental commentary that is about to arise. Don't fall into this illusion that you've been sort of living in all your life, right? You're waking up from that I am the mind, and there's a specific entity that is speaking this. It's actually simply the mind arising with all these projections, the mind interpreting those projections, adding more commentary, then followed up with more commentary, creating a false sense of self. You be the awareness of it. But the awareness of it is not a focal point. It is not a separate entity. It is not a fixated point of view. It is located nowhere in experience. It is transcendent of space. It is placed nowhere in time. It is transcendent of time. Where is it? It's just here. It is real. It is that with which the mental conversations can have any sense of reality. So see this clearly.